One of us is super special to God. Every one of us, young and old, we have an assignment, we have a gift, we have something in us that God placed in us that is valuable, that made us unique and different and special. And so tonight, one of the things we're going to do, one scientific thing, is we're going to talk about solutions. Has anybody ever heard of a solution? All right, Elijah, can you go to the solution for me? There you go. Awesome. A solution is two or more substances that are mixed together to create something new. Two or more substances together to create something new. Have y'all ever heard of a solution before? Can you think of a solution? Oh my gosh, Sherrock, you need to go back, Sherrock. Oh my. I'm giving this away because I don't want him to talk. And we're just going to keep this to ourselves. Sherrock. This is Sherrock Holmes. All right, let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up, Sherrock.
Hello. I'm Sherrock.
Yeah, we know
Sherlock Holmes.
Yeah. But we're surprised to see you here this year, Sherrock, because we're not doing clues this year. We're doing the lab. I didn't think you'd be coming to the lab.
We're in the lab?
Yeah, we're in the science lab.
I thought we were doing clues.
No, you're definitely not dressed proper for the science lab.
Well, I heard you talking about solutions. It kind of reminds me of the case of the confused cookie. You know, there was a pastor, not far from here, by the name of Elfie Henderson.
Oh my goodness.
You know, Pastor Elfie was really...
No, I think you're mistaken.
No, his name is Elfie Henderson.
Well, I know a pastor named L.D. Henderson.
No, this one is different. His name's Elfie. Elfie Henderson.
Okay, yeah, so then it's not our pastor then, okay?
Well,
that's a good
Elfie
one.
Henderson was having some
LD
cookies that were being eaten every Sunday afternoon out of his church. Yes, and we solved the case by putting two and two together. We found a few blonde pieces of hair around the cookies, and I also noticed that there was elastic pigtail holders, and we found out that there was a little girl by the name of Pigtail Peggy who was eating the cookies.
I don't know. Pigtail Peggy was a good girl last year. She learned the Bible.
Well, this guy said it was the case of the confused cookie. She was confused because she thought Elfie Henderson, Pastor Elfie, said that she could have the cookies if she learned some books of the Bible.
Well, that's not the kind of solution we're talking about, though. We're talking about when we take two different ingredients and we put them together.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Okay.
You're talking about the square root of 426 to the 27th power divided by 200.
No, not math solutions. That's a whole different class.
Square root of circle, dot, dot. Now you've got a cootie shot. Oh, sorry.
That's a good
I was
one.
just going to say, you wanted that kind
Hilarious.
of solutions like that's not
No,
the kind
I'm
of
talking about when two different substances come together. They're no longer two anymore.
Say no more, I know what you mean. It's like when you take chi and you put it with toes. You've got Cheetos. When you get dough and you put it with Rito, it's Doritos. I think that you're talking about like boots and cats. That's a great combination, I believe.
No, boots and cats. Have y'all ever heard of boots and cats?
Yeah.
This side, you're going to be boots. When I point to you, you say boots. When I point to this side, you say cats, okay? Let's try it.
Boots.
Cats.
Boots.
Cats.
Cats and
All right,
boots and
and if
cats.
you said it together, it would sound like this great combination: boots and cats and boots and cats.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
No, we're definitely not talking about that.
Not
We're
that
talking
kind of
about two or tooth or two.
Oh,
kind
tooth. Yes, a combination of two things coming together for your tooth. I have a sweet tooth, by the way.
Okay.
And I always make sure that I have something that is a combination to solve the hunger situation inside me.
No, I think you don't have it right.
No, I do have it right. I believe I have it right. I
Okay.
believe I have it right here.
What are you doing
Oh
in
my
your
goodness,
pocket?
what
Oh my
happened?
Oh no.
No.
Oh.
I believe I have it right here.
I don't think this is the right kind of solution.
Are you sure?
No, I don't think so. Pastor LD is back there.
Pastor Elfie Henderson?
No, not him. LD Henderson. So let's not. Let's not.
This is a great combination. It's called a dum-dum.
Before we risk looking dum-dums, can we
Okay.
go out? Sure, I want to make a solution.
I
with the
realize
kids.
that I'm not dressed for the laboratory.
Maybe another time you could come back for
I
clues.
could come back?
For clues.
For clues. Yes, clues.
Okay.
Reminds me, I need to go find
No,
some
let's
more
all say
clues.
goodbye to Sherrod. Can you tell Sherrod goodbye?
Yeah.
Matters, amen. And so we know that sometimes if we count up the time that we look at when they're at church, Sundays, for a couple of hours, and possibly on Wednesdays, and a few here and there, we'll meet up in the week. And the church only has a few hours to really influence them. And we do, how many knows that our kids in our programs really do work, amen?
Yeah.
But we want to reinforce that throughout the week, because we spend more time with the kids than Pastor can, or even Mabel in the back, or whatever, Mary Beth when she's here. So we really have to be using our gifts, amen. And so this is kind of the idea today. I'm going to ask some questions. All right.
I don't know. Wow. Come on up here. You got a center stage here. Oh.
Is that the burning bush?
That's not the. No, that's the lava lamp.
That's the burning bush.
Oh, it is pink, but not burning. It is hot.
I
Be
brought
careful.
my bag.
Okay. Oh boy.
Okay.
It's like Mary Poppins in there.
Anybody got a bobo?
And Bobo's.
I got a Band-Aid.
Oh boy, she came prepared for this few minutes.
My hair needs brushed.
It looks good today, though. I like it.
See, I went and got a haircut, and my mama got upset because I cut it too short back there.
Oh
See?
boy.
And she can't get it in details. Whatever, good night.
Oh.
Oh, look what I got.
Wow.
I can sleep.
Oh, this is nice.
Not in the
Yeah.
dark. Are you not afraid of it?
I'm not afraid of anything.
Okay.
Because Jesus is in me, right?
Right.
I'm a little bit afraid of germs. So this does help me, thank you. It's very a lot. Tell Peggy she comes prepared. She's like, girl, are you a Girl Scout? Okay, well,
Whatever you need.
do you got the
Oh.
motions? That's what I want to know.
I'm not good at motions.
Come
I don't have
on.
that.
I think you
But
might could.
I heard we were gonna have hamburgers and French fries.
Oh, yeah. Hot dogs, actually.
They're
They're a distant
I wanted
cousin to
hamburgers
hamburger.
and French fries. See?
Yeah. It looks good in
I'm
her.
prepared for
You
that.
did. You did well with the hot dog. You're an all-American menu.
Okay.
So, well, I guess Pigtail Peggy's not going to do the motions with us today, but maybe tomorrow, Pigtail Peggy, would you be willing to
Can I
learn some more?
practice?
Yeah, and maybe learn some more books of the Bible. Maybe these girls doing this song, maybe it would help you to
It
remember.
would. Okay.
Just a refresher,
I'll sit
okay?
here and watch.
So we'll all stand up together. You don't have to come up front, but just get a little bit of room.